गुरुदेव, आप कहते हैं वेदांत और क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स काफ़ी मिलते जुलते हैं। क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स हमें स्कूल में पढ़ाया जाता है, वेदांत को हम अपनी शिक्षा प्रणाली में कैसे संयोजित
लाना चाहिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत अच्छा है। तो अब बाहर के कई देशों में लाने लग गए, हमारे देशों में लाना चाहिए। Vedanta and quantum mechanics are very close, very similar. I would say they're identical. Quantum mechanics says this whole universe is just wave function, made up of one wave function. Vedanta says the same thing. The whole universe is just vibrations. There you say wave function, Vedanta says it's all just vibrations, spandana. Spanda means vibrations, pulsating. The whole universe is pulsating as vibration. And the vibration in its many manifestation has formed this multitude of universe. The more you study quantum mechanics, the more you come close to Vedanta. The more you study Vedanta, you come so close to physics and you see, wow, what a striking similarity. The truth is one, it's coming from two different approaches. Usually, otherwise we think God is someone sitting up in the sky trying to punish you every time you do a mistake or allowing you to do a mistake and then come to punish you. No, not that way. The whole universe is of cause and effect. For every effect there is a cause, and every cause in turn is part of an effect. So when you understand this theory, and you see that there is not one God sitting upstairs and trying to dictate you. God is just godliness, the love, compassion, all these values which is the summum bonum of the whole creation. And that is consciousness, that is what you are. That is why you say, I am that. I am that I am. This is the wisdom. That I is not an individual somebody, it is just vibrations. And that one vibration is what has manifested as millions of names and forms and variety in creation. Isn't it fascinating? Huh? Think about this. See, does your mind has a face? Your body has a face. Just close your eyes and see, do I have a face? The answer will be no. Mind has no face. Mind has no shape. So our consciousness has got no face. And for a moment, see everyone beyond the face as just energy, as spirit, as a consciousness. See, when you see this serial bulbs, serial lights, it's one electricity passing through many bulbs, dozens of bulbs, right? 50, 60 bulbs are lit, but one wire is connecting electricity. Now, forget about all those bulbs. Just pay attention to that one electricity that's flowing through. The 220 volt electricity through that entire wire. That is Advaita. That is seeing the unity of consciousness. So for a moment, just imagine everyone sitting here, forget their faces, they are just expression of energy. Your awareness shifts to another level. And it's from this level, creativity, intuition, innovation, intelligence, all this gets developed.